Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Adidi Makeovers. Let's get right into it. Welcome back guys. So for today's look, I'll be doing a kanuri bridal makeup tutorial. As you can see, we are going to be doing the hair and makeup transformation look. So as you can see, I just had to lose part of the front part of her hair so that we can be able to make that puffy front hairstyle the kanuri people always have on. So I'm adding extensions to her hair because her hair is not long. As you can see, normally the kanuri people, they have long hair and they always plait their hair front to the front like this. So basically I'm just adding extension to her hair so that it looks long. Can you see that? I know I'm not perfect, but at least this can go, this will work fine. So moving on to making the back of her hair, I'll be using a ribbon to just hold it down so that when she wears the kanuri lapaya veil, it will stay on her head perfectly. That is why we have to make that ponytail big bun at the back of her head. So we are going to be starting the makeup right now. I'll be using the simple micellar water to clean her face. I love this micellar water. It's very delicate and it goes smoothly on the skin perfectly. So I'm just cleaning that out, and then I'll be going in with my Cetaphil moisturizer. I'll be applying that all over her skin also, so because she has a dry skin, so I would like her skin to be hydrated before we start doing the makeup. So what I'm trying to do here is I'll be making sure that my makeup is very light. Normally when you meet the kanuri people, they have a very good skin. Their skin is always glowing. That's why in Nigeria, the northern part of Nigeria, when you meet them, they are the ones always they have the traditional therapy for skin repair and everything. They are very good in that. So I'll be very minimal with the makeup because that's what they don't really apply heavy makeup like that because their skin is already good. So what I'm doing now is I did not carve her brows because I want the makeup to look as natural as possible. So I'm just brushing the hair upwards. She has full brows. I'll be outlining the outer part of the brows, not filling it, just outlining so that I'll get the shape I want to achieve. So after outlining the brows, I'll be going in with my Beauty Line by Didi brow tint. This brow tint is going to make the hair look more lighter. She has and then the forehead. So to bring out the high points of her face. Can you see? All blended out already. We've done the nose, the chin. I'm doing the chin now, the cupid bow, and also the forehead. That's what we'll be highlighting. So moving on, using the same Ferrarici palette concealer I used for the brows, I'll be using a darker shade to contour the side of her nose to make the nose more kanuri like, so it looks slim and longer. Can you see that? So after that, I'll be blending that out also using my beauty blender, my very soft beauty blender. Going in with the Zaron mineral setting powder, I'll be applying that as to set the highlights of her face. I'll be showing you the powder now. After this, I forgot to record before applying the setting powder, so that will be the next clip. Can you see the powder? The next thing I'll be doing now is I'm going to be setting her whole face using the Bicham Ageless powder, silky smooth powder palette to do that. Using the Benai eyeshadow primer, I'll be applying that all over her crease. After applying that, before I'll be applying that to make my eyeshadow pop. And I'll be using the Blot Cosmetics Trailblazer eyeshadow um on her crease. So I'll be applying a bronzy gold color. First of all, I used a maroon eyeshadow for her contour. Using this, I'm going to cover it with the golden shade. I just want to achieve I want her eyes to be a little bit bold, so that's why I used the maroon eyeshadow for the outer part of her eyes. Can you see this natural bronzy golden eyeshadow I'm using? It goes with her skin tone so perfectly. So I don't want to do anything heavy. As I say, I'm not going to be applying any other thing again. I'll just blend and blend and blend. That's all. From the little research I did before creating this makeup, before doing this video, I found out that Kanuri people are very pretty. They are beautiful, most especially they are girls. They have good skin. The fair ones, the dark ones, they are very pretty. They even look more like this Arabian, these Ethiopians like that, Chadians and all that. I don't know, but the Kanuri girls are beautiful. So you don't need to apply heavy makeup to look good. I just enhance her natural beauty. And moving on, I already applied her mascara and also the lashes, so I'm just taking off the setting powder, not taking it off. Basically, I'm just going over the setting powder using the powder, her skin tone powder. I don't want the look to be looking too artificial or too heavy. Can you see how it goes with her skin? So using my Kiss Beauty setting spray, I'll be applying that all over her face. I'll be setting the spray, applying I'll be spraying the setting spray all over her face. So to make her eyes look a little more bigger, I'll be smudging the lipstick I used. I'll be applying that smudge under her eyes and also winging her eyeliner with the um shade of lipstick I'll be using on her lips. And please guys, I would like you guys to please pardon me. I lost the video where I was applying the lipstick and also the lip gloss, topping it with the lip gloss. I used the classic lipstick and the House of Tara lip lip gloss. Going in with the Get Gorgeous bronzer. I applied that on her cupid bow, the tip of her nose, and also the chin and the forehead. So can you see? Just jumped in, and she has her lipstick on. So I used the Girls Night Out eyeshadow by V Beauty Planet Cosmetics. I'm just applying that all over her cheeks lightly. So trying to ping out the eyes more. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. I'm on my knees. I'm begging you guys to please subscribe. Can you see how my model is looking? She's also begging you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can be friends with me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and all that. Snapchat. My name is all Hadidi Makeovers. So we'll be moving on to applying she'll be putting on her lapaya. First of all, I'm going to be laying her edges. I want to lay the edges. Her hair is looking rough. We're supposed to have made this hair a little bit more to the front, but I don't know what happened. So normally, you know, the kanuri people, they do dress like Indians. So we'll be using the head jewelry. Is it the head jewelry or head? Oh, I don't know. Headpiece, sha. Okay. So I'll be putting that on top of her head after she has already wore her lapaya. The lapaya looks like a wrapper, a 4 to 5 years wrapper. So can you see? Just place that on the head like this, and voila, we have our kanuri bridal makeup look. Please guys, I'm begging you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.